In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Lovable AI projects safely for real projects. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening Lovable in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, click the project card for the project you want to edit. Give it a moment to fully load and wait until the project editor opens with the chat panel on one side and the live preview on the other. Take a quick look at the preview because the homepage headline is what we'll be editing today. Before we touch any code, we need to confirm the GitHub safety net is in place. Click the plus icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click GitHub. You should now see a connected repository link, a repository page, or a connected GitHub status. This confirms your work is backed up. Now we're going to use plan mode before changing anything. Look at the bottom of the Lovable chat panel and click Planned, which sits right next to the prompt input. Click inside the prompt input field to activate it. Type a planning request describing what you want to change, and feel free to copy and paste the prompt from the pinned comment below this video. Once Lovable responds, read through the plan carefully and make a note of the exact file path that Lovable recommends editing. This is the file we'll open next. Next, we'll open the code file that Lovable just identified. In the top right of the project toolbar, click the code brackets icon. The code editor will open with a file tree on the left. In that file tree, click on the file path that Lovable named in its plan mode response. With the file now open, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac to open the search bar. Type the exact visible text that you currently see in the preview. Then press Enter, and the editor will jump straight to the matching text inside the file. Now it's time to make one small code edit and preview it. In the code editor, carefully select only the visible text string you searched for, nothing more. Replace it with another phrase of your choice. Once your new text is in place, click Save in the code editor toolbar to lock in the change. After saving, click Preview in the project editor to load the updated view. Confirm that the preview now shows your new phrase, edited safely in Lovable. At this point, do not click Publish or Update just yet. We still have one more important check to run first. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we're going to run the safety check before publishing. In the top right of the project toolbar, click Publish. A modal will open and walk you through several screens. On the first screen, leave the website URL exactly as it is and click Continue. On the next screen, leave Public selected as the visibility option and click Continue again. The following screen will show a title and description. Leave those untouched and click Continue one more time. You will now see a button labeled Run Security Check inside the Publish modal. Click that button to start the scan. Wait patiently while Lovable finishes running the check. Once it completes, carefully review the security results shown in the modal. If there are any critical findings flagged, stop here and do not publish the project. Those issues need to be addressed first. However, if there are no blocking findings, simply close the Publish modal without actually publishing. You've now confirmed the project is safe, but you haven't pushed anything live. And that's the full safe workflow. Your Lovable preview now shows the edited text. The project is still connected to GitHub as a backup, and no live publish or update was triggered. You confirmed the backup, planned first, edited one targeted code string, previewed the change, and ran a security check before any publish action. That's the safest way to edit code in your Lovable AI projects when you're working on real important projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.